Greetings, gaming enthusiasts! We are truly grateful for your tremendous support and massive response so far. Today, we would like to share the details of the league format with you. Phase 1. Registration. As you are all aware, the registration phase has commenced and is scheduled to conclude on July 8th. If you haven't registered yet, head to GEPL.live now. Phase 2. The qualifiers. The qualifiers will commence on Challenger mode, where players battle it out in intense matches from 14 July to 10th August, showcasing the strategies and individual process. Track GEPL's pace in Challenger mode for upcoming match updates after receiving the initial email communication regarding your specific match. Phase 3. The top 100 players from the qualifiers will be eligible for the offline player draft and will be intimated appropriately. The player draft, close league and the final LAN event will be held offline. We will be sharing the dates and all updates related to these events in the coming days. Join us in the first of its kind cricket eSports league, that is GEPL.